In this video, you will learn how to manage quote levels in Mail app on your iPhone. So let's begin. Hello friends, welcome back to Apple Friendly. Today we'll see how to manage quote level in Mail app and forward the old message or someone else's message as if it was a new message. So supposedly, this is any random mail on your iPhone. You received it from someone. Now, when you forward this mail, you'll see something like this. This doesn't seem to be a new message, and there is this continuous line running on the left side of this message. So now what you need to do is just tap anywhere on the message. Tap on Select All. Tap this little triangle and select quote level. Now hit Decrease. Now your message should look like this. Now delete the unwanted stuff like this one. Adjust your message. Delete this forward text from the subject. And now send this email. Now when the other person receives this email, it would look something like this. It doesn't look like a forwarded message. This is a very simple function of Mail app, but it is very useful to forward the same email to different people. And that's all for today. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take good care of yourself. This is your friend Vikas signing off. Thank you so much for watching.